So I'm here to introduce the Alexa, actually Alexa Plus in this case. Alexa is designed to be a very lightweight, very versatile 35 style camera. So it's got a 35mm sensor in the front. Actually, I'm going to take out the lens for you. We got a PL mount, standard PL mount lenses. It's got a monitor out. The Plus version has 2 monitor outs. Standard HD SDI out for recording to an external recorder. And the Plus version in addition also has lens control, also for wireless focusing, wireless zoom. It takes 24 volts in, 12 volts in. You can output 24 volts out or 12 volts as well. It takes in stereo audio line in. This is a feature that's going to be enabled, I think, by the end of the year. Currently, we cannot record audio. And we got a timecode connector right here. The user interface was designed to be as easy as possible, so that's why we got the main settings that you need over here. If you want to change the frame rate, just hit that button. You have a list where you can select your frame rates. Same goes for the shutter angle. The camera does not have a mirror shutter, but we took over that language from the film cameras. It actually has a rolling shutter. So you would set the shutter angle here. And because it does only have an electronic shutter, you can go up to 358 degrees. White balance, also you can set by Kelvin. I can also add a custom white balance. I can dial in Kelvin up and down. Maximum is 11,000, minimum is 2,000. In addition, I have a green magenta shift, so I can go +8 or -8 on the green and magenta axis. This is quite useful when you have mixed light sources or LED lighting or something like that. This is where I select my sensitivity. The camera's base sensitivity is 800 ASA. You can go up to 1600 down to 160. The recording media, okay, that's S/S card. It's on this side of the camera. So we have a slot for 2 S/S cards. It's a Sony Pro S/S card, 32 gigabytes. You just pop it in. Hit load the card, now it's green, it's ready for recording, and I can start recording immediately. And also take out the card and take this into a laptop for editing straight away. We're recording in ProRes format, so I can show you here in the recording menu on my S/S cards. I have a selection of different ProRes codecs. I can go down to ProRes Proxy or Lite, which are codecs that are only recommended, of course, for editing, up to ProRes 4x4, which is the very highest quality codec at, I think, about 300 megabits at 25 frames per second or 24. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything you need to set up on this camera. Hope you enjoyed it.